Hello and welcome to part 3 of the video presentation of Lab 1A. This video discusses launching MicroStation Connect Edition, workspace options, and view control tools. MicroStation view control tools are depicted above with the name of each tool labeled. Since use of these tools is simple and intuitive, and the names of these tools are self-explanatory, further discussion of these tools is not necessary. Use of these tools in the process of completing the following lab exercises should suffice as a starting point on this avenue by which to develop the required proficiency. To begin, launch MicroStation Connect Edition by double-clicking on the desktop icon or selecting the Start button and scrolling down to and selecting the MicroStation Connect Edition folder, the MicroStation Connect Edition icon. Since double-clicking on the DGN file to launch MicroStation Connect Edition bypasses the workspace, this is not recommended. Select the G.Dot MicroStation Connect Edition workspace and the G.Dot Util Training Workset by the Workspace and Worksets pull-down arrows respectively. Then select the Lab 1A Training Overlay.dgn file from the Recent Files list if it is listed, or select the Browse option to navigate to and select the file. Then select the main menu, Proposed, 50 Scale, and Water options for access to the Proposed Water dialog. Start by double-clicking on the MicroStation Connect Edition icon, or from the Start button. MicroStation Connect Edition. Select the G.Dot MSCE workspace and the G.Dot Util Training Workset. Then select the Lab 1A Training Overlay.dgn file. If it were listed in the Recent Files list, it could be selected from here by left-clicking, but in this case we'll browse. Lab 1A Training Overlay and open. Select the main menu, Proposed, 50 Scale, and Water. The Utility Coordination Labs and documentation originated with G.Nav, which was on the MicroStation Select Series 2 platform. And with that particular version of MicroStation, plans were being, the standard for plans was typically in 20 scale or 50 scale. Since MicroStation Connect Edition has the dual workspace configuration to accommodate both Select Series 2 as well as MicroStation Connect Edition projects, we had the option to choose the SS2 workspace when we launched MicroStation Connect Edition. And had we done so, we would have the 20, 30, and 50 scale options for MicroStation main menu SS2. We selected MicroStation Connect Edition, which is set up to match the settings for OpenRoads Designer and the Connect products. In OpenRoads Designer, the plans are typically going to be 20 scale or 40 scale. So for this reason, we will select the proposed 40 scale and water options. The SS2 workspace was just launched for comparison purposes. Now that we have reviewed the launching MicroStation Connect Edition and workspace options portion of the video, we will take a look at the view controls portion of the video. The first view control tool that we will investigate is the Rotate View by an Element tool. We will select the CAD Tools tab for access to the Rotate View by Element tool. To orient the drawing such that the sprint street alignment is vertical along the north-south axis, select the Rotate View by Element tool. When the Rotate View Aligned with Element dialog appears, select the sprint street centerline. As prompted in the lower left corner MicroStation Connect Edition dialog, select the view that will be rotated by a data point anywhere in the view. The view will rotate such that sprint street will be oriented vertically in the north-south direction. Reset, right-click to deselect the centerline and/or end the command. To return to the previous view, select the View Previous tool from the View toolbox. If the view has been changed more than once, this tool will have to be selected more than once. Select the CAD tools. Rotate View by Element. Upon selecting the Rotate View tool, we're prompted to identify the element. We will select the Sprint Street centerline. And then the prompt changes to select the view or views for rotation. So we'll select by left clicking anywhere in the view, and the view rotates. Reset or right click to end the command and or deselect the alignment. To return to the previous view, select the View Previous tool from the View toolbox. View Previous. And if the view has been changed more than once, the View Previous tool will have to be used more than once. Now we will return the view to the default view. To return to the default view, select the View Rotate tool. And the Rotate tool appears with the 2 points option. We'll select the Unrotated option, which rotates it back to the default view. Now we'll select the Fit View tool so that the extents of the drawing will match the extents of the view. And this concludes the video. Thanks for watching.